Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over my opinion on the new brake pads. These are the Hawks HPS 5.0s. So far so good. No extra noise. The pedal feel is actually a lot better with most newer BMWs. When you initially get on the brakes, you tend to find the pad or the brake pedal feel a little jolty, so you'll step on the brake and all of a sudden the car just feels like you just jammed on it, and then it gets smoother. With this particular pad, you don't get that any longer, so that's one of the real benefits of the pad. There is less dust. I mean, the wheels are a little dirty now because I've been going to the old car wash and they do a terrible job, so you can see little brake dust on there. These aren't ceramic brakes. It's actually called a ferrocarbon pad. So you're getting less dust, better stopping power, but it's not going to be equivalent to a ceramic pad where you're going to get a lot less dust. So it's probably half the amount of dust you would get, which is still a benefit because the OEM pads would just make so much dust in between washes. Once a week, the car looked like it hadn't been washed in months because the brake dust was so bad. So that's a plus for the pad. Stopping power is pretty good. Like I said, initial bite is definitely better. The pad feel on the pedal is more linear. So when you brake, the harder you press, obviously it feels that way. The other way, you step on the brake pad, step on the brake pedal, and it just jolts you, and then you get a normal feel. So I like that a lot better about this. It's definitely a better feel. All in all, I would recommend the pad. I think that I think it's a great option from factory. A little better stopping power, less dust, no noise. I mean, it's a win-win. I'm not going to say that the pad makes the car stop 1,000 times better. That's far from the truth because it doesn't, but it is a little better. The brake feeling is more linear. So all in all, for the price, it's definitely a good option and a great pad for them, for everyday use. I daily the car, and I drive it, spirited once in a while, and this pad really does fit the bill. Sorry if there's some wind noise. Yeah, it really does fit the bill. So all in all, I definitely would buy the pad again. I'll put a link in the description where I got them. I got them from ECS Tuning, and they were fair over the stock ones. They were about like, what was it, 200 and change for the pads. I forget exactly how much I paid for them, and that was including the brake sensor as well. And I'll link the video to the installation if you guys need it. But all in all, the Hawks HPS 5.0 pads, I give them a thumbs up. Good pad. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. That pretty much completes this video. I got a few more coming. I got a new 360 dash cam by Vantru, which is pretty sweet. I'm still in the process of testing it, but that's the new camera in there. It's really nice. Pretty happy with it so far. Just want to get a little more seat time with it, and I'll bring you guys a video on that as well. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time, and that's it for this video. Take care.